Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving Safari permission to use mobile data, because without that it simply won't connect. Go to Settings, open Cellular, and make sure Safari is allowed. Also check your carrier plan for 4G or 5G availability. Once done, close Safari and restart it to clear any cached network issues. This first action avoids wasted time chasing settings that look fine but block data access, and it prepares your browser to request pages over the cellular network immediately. Next, optimize how Safari uses your mobile data so pages load faster and costs stay down. Turn off background app refresh and page preload. These features can fetch content without your knowledge. Make reader mode and content blockers your default approach for heavy sites because they strip ads and large media. If pages still misbehave, clear Safari's cache and cookies. This removes stale data that can prevent new connections. Doing this trade-off, fewer extras for faster performance, keeps browsing. Finally, verify Safari works over mobile by loading a simple site and noting whether images or scripts fail. If a problem appears, toggle airplane mode to reset the cellular radio, then try again. This often clears transient network issues. Make sure no VPN or DNS app is interfering, and if problems persist, reset network settings or contact your carrier for account blocks. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle cellular for Safari off and on. This simple step frequently restores normal access without more drag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.